Welcome to this e-learning course. This tutorial is designed for medical assistants and ophthalmologists. We will teach medical assistants on how to perform smartphone-based fundus imaging for telemedical diabetic retinopathy screening and ophthalmologists on how to grade retinal images in a telemedical setting. How is this course structured? This e-learning tutorial consists of 7 modules. If you watch our course on our dedicated learning platform, you will be asked a few questions after each module for assessment of training success. We need to answer our questions correctly in order to proceed to the next module. If you have trouble finding the correct answer, don't hesitate to watch the module again. You can watch it as often as you like. If you follow our course carefully, all questions will be easy to answer. What about the practical training? While watching the different modules, you will be asked to directly try out all explained steps on your own. Therefore, it is necessary to have all required equipment at your disposal. This includes the adapter and lens for smartphone-based fundus imaging, spectacle clothes for cleaning purposes, a smartphone with the latest version of the app, and a volunteer with dilated pupils. Make sure the pupils are sufficiently well dilated. When we explain a procedure, please hold the video after every step and accurately apply the explained step yourself. Feel free to repeat the video as often as required until you sufficiently master the task. We wish you a pleasant and successful learning experience and hope that you will achieve an excellent performance.